Changing the language in the Swiggy app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily switch to your preferred language. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access the profile menu. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile menu, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This will open various settings related to your account and app preferences. Step 4. Select Language Preferences. Within the Settings menu, find the Language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use in the app. Once selected, the app will automatically update to reflect your choice. Now you can enjoy using the Swiggy app in your preferred language. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.